video, I'm going to show you how to prepare for the Collaborative Dollhouse Electricity Inquiry lesson. Let's start with this worksheet you'll have to complete. It has 3 sections. The first section describes a scenario of a dollhouse that can be wired in 3 different ways to light the rooms. You're going to work collaboratively with a partner to explore each of these 3 different ways, or 3 different electrical circuits. The second section in the worksheet gives you some hints on how to conduct good experiments. And finally, the third section in the worksheet gives you a link to the dollhouse computer simulation, as well as the questions that you and your partner are going to have to answer. So let's take a look at this simulation link. The simulation starts with a message that says, enter your room number. You can get your room number from the top of the worksheet. For example, suppose your room number was 123. Then you enter 123 and click on the join button. In this simulation, you can examine 3 different circuit arrangements. You can also change certain variables. These will have an effect on the lighting in different rooms of the dollhouse. Both you and your partner control this same simulation, but you may not necessarily be able to control the same variables. Together, you have to work collaboratively to answer the questions in the worksheet. Good luck with your collaboration.